Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Cynthia Alvarado and I am a fourth year, fifth grade teacher here in the state of Utah, and this is Powered by Little Minds. Okay, so I just got a couple boxes. Excuse how I look. I'm currently filming as well. My classroom setup video day 7, so if you haven't gone to see that, go watch it. I'm planning to do this video on different days because obviously I haven't gotten all my packages. But I highly suggest sharing your Amazon wish list with your family, friends. Put it on Facebook. I put it on my Instagram story. You can put it in your link in your bio. I actually sent it to some influencers as well. Taking a chance, I think only one replied, but he said it wasn't working. So, and then I sent him another one. Anyways, so by the way, so that's why if you look at it, I actually have it linked down below as well. If you're feeling generous and you want to donate to my classroom. There is things that are a little bit pricier on the pricier side, just because, like I said, I did send it to some influencers. But let's unbox the boxes I got today. So actually the first box that I got, this one I got at home because one of my coworkers actually taught me how to make it so it'll ship directly to my school. So this one was the only one that was delivered to my house. So this one is from my friend Jordy. She's so sweet. Jordy, thank you so much for sending this. She donated these. It's a set of 6 Colors of the World Crayola crayons, and eventually I want to get a set for each kid, just so they can have their own set in their desk. I do have like my people crayons. If you follow me on Instagram, you did see that I posted that, and I have those as well, so kids can share those. Okay, but this one, let me put the receipts in there. I just got a box. The secretaries just handed me a box, so I'm excited to open it because I don't know what it is or who it's from. Okay, let's do this. This one's not that bad to open. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of stuff in this one. Sorry, I just saw who it's from. Wow. Okay, it's someone that I go to church with. She got me a lot of stuff. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Itzel. Her name's Itzel. Thank you so much, Itzel. Okay, so let me show you what she got me. So she got me these expo markers. These are a 16-pack dry erase. I put these on my Amazon wish list. She also got me these Velcro dots. I've used these a lot, and they're really useful. So if you put them on your Amazon wish list. And the biggest thing she got me. Are you ready for this? She got me my laminator that I wanted. Wow. Thank you so much, Itzel. Here's this. It's the Scotch one that everyone has. I've never owned my own laminator. So now I just have to buy the sheets for those. Those are actually also on my Amazon wish list. So if you want to go buy them for me, you can. But yeah, I saw her notes. Don't think I didn't read them. She says, enjoy your gifts from Itzel. There was a few. Since she got 3 things, there's 3 notes. Enjoy your gift and have a wonderful school year from Itzel. Thank you so much. Okay, so I'm going to put different clips together. Obviously, I don't have all of them yet, but I'm super, super grateful for everyone that has donated to my classroom, whether it be through my Amazon wish list or Venmo. People have sent me Venmo money. Also donating for my Donors Choose project that is currently up. I will also link that in my description box if you want to donate to that. But thank you guys so much to everyone for donating. I'm going to insert more clips though when I get more packages. So yeah, I will see you guys later. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back. It is actually the next day. I got a few more packages. So this one, the first one I'm going to open was actually sent to my house, which is weird because I put the address for my school, so maybe it's someone from my family that has my address. So let's go ahead and open it because I don't know what it is. I think I like have an idea. I think I know what it is. That was right. Okay, let's see. This is from, oh, Jordy too. Thank you, Jordy. I guess it just came in 2 different packages. So these are little paper cut people of different skin tone colors. I thought they would actually be a little bit bigger, but that's totally fine. Look at how cute they are. Let me see if I can open it. Oh yeah, oh wow, and they're laminated. I thought that was paper, but this is what they look like. They're really cute. So I'm excited for those. I love having, I feel like it's really important to help to, you know, celebrate diversity and make sure kids feel represented, and having their skin tones, whether it be crayons or paper, is really worthwhile. Okay, the next box, I'll just put that to the side. This one came to the school. Let's go ahead and open it. This is really fun. So exciting. Okay. Ooh! This is from, oh, it doesn't say who it's from. Hold on. Oh, it's from a subscriber. She says, thank you so much for uploading your affirmations. My students will greatly appreciate them. I hope your students love this amazing book. From Erin. Her YouTube username is called Second Nature 13 on YouTube. Thank you so much, Erin. So Erin got me this. Let me put this box down. Erin got me this book that I put on my Amazon wish list. It's called Little Legends, Exceptional Men in Black History. And it's by Vashti Harrison. I don't know if I say that right because like in the dot, her name is Vashti. Vashti. I don't know. I say Vashti. Who knows if that's pronounced correctly, but I'm super excited for this. I like I said, I want to, I feel like I do talk about it a lot, but I feel like at my school, it's a Title I school and I can relate a lot to the students because we're people of color. So I really want, this is a good start. Thank you so much, Erin. You guys are so sweet. Okay, next one. This is kind of a big one, so this one's heavy. This one I don't know if I'll be able to lift up. Oh, geez. Okay. Maybe I'll open it on my lap. Okay. And then I'll put it on the floor. You know, I'm going to put it on the floor and then I will take things out as I go. Oh, wow. Okay, I really hope. Okay, I think I see the note so I can see who it's from. Oh, okay, this one's from my dad and my mom. Thank you, Mom and Dad. It just says enjoy your gift. They got me a lot of stuff. Thank you. Okay, I'm so happy. Okay, so I got they gave me some Welch's fruit snacks. This is a 40 pack. A lot of kids come hungry to school. They don't eat breakfast. So I just want to have snacks for them when and if they are hungry. I also wanted white cardstock paper. And this is a 250 pack of white cardstock, which I always use because my school doesn't provide cardstock. I mean, they do, I guess, sometimes. But mostly we have to buy our own. So I just usually ask for donations for cardstock. So thank you so much. I always use white cardstock. Next, I got more glue sticks because last year I learned that kids go through glue sticks a lot. So got some more. Thank you. And, oh, this is opened. I got a pencil sharpener. I didn't have one, so though I think we have to leave them in my room, so I couldn't take the one that I got last year, and we used that with my team money, so it belongs to my team. So this one is officially mine. Thank you, Mom and Dad. Okay, next, I've seen so many teachers have this. I've never had Mr. Sketch scented markers, and I know I do anchor charts. So, and I used to use Expo markers for my anchor charts, and then I got the Sharpie ones, the Sharpie markers, and I had Crayola markers, but I love the chisel tip. That's why I liked using the Expo ones, because they have the chisel tip. I like how they write better. So I'm super excited for these. Okay, next, oh, this is from the pencil sharpener. We got more snacks, some more goldfish, just in case kids get hungry. And there's a box in here that we're gonna have to open. Let's see, because I don't know what it is. Okay. My friend Sam always gets mad at me when I open packages like this. He's like, do it away from you. I'm doing it away from me. Except for this one, maybe. Yeah. Okay. Yay! Okay. These are the colors, what's it called? Colors of the World markers. So it can go along with the crayons that Jordy got me. Thank you so much. That was the last thing in the box. That was a lot. Okay, I want to thank you guys so much for donating to my classroom. Thank you so much to Erin, to my parents, and to Jordy for donating, and Itzel for donating. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. I'm gonna put more videos in if I get more packages, but if not, then I will upload this when it's ready. Thank you guys. All right, so I just actually got another package. My principal over the intercom, he's like, Cynthia, you're the winner of a package that just came. So I was like, I didn't enter anything. But it's from Amazon, and he was like teasing me about it. He's like, maybe it's a Billie Eilish album in this huge box, but I've never had a package with someone's face on it, but I love Billie Eilish, so I'm not complaining. All right. Let's see what's in this bad guy. See what I did there? Just kidding. It's a reference to one of her songs, if you didn't know. Okay. Yes! Okay. This one, let's see who it's from. Yay! Daniel! Thank you so much. Daniel's one of my friends from college, actually. We went to the same university. So he got me, guys, I've always wanted this. He got me this package set of Expo whiteboard care cleaner, and it came along with another eraser. It's like a precision eraser, I think it says. Yeah, so that's super cool. Thank you so much, Daniel. I'm so excited for this one. Thank you. Hi, guys. So it is Monday, August 9th, and I have a few packages. Don't pay attention to the mess behind me. But I think today, maybe I'll lower you. Give me 1 second. All right, let me just go back now. Okay, I think today will be the last time today is the last day. So this video should be up soon, and I'm going to open some more packages. Also, I got some multicultural paper, which I can't find. It was sent to my house, and I thought I brought it with me today, but whoever sent it to me, there was no note. Thank you so much for donating that. Okay, let's see. Here's the first box. All right, so let's see what we got here. Yay, more. Oh, it's from my dad. Thanks, Dad. More. I need this, guys. My whiteboard's always a messy, and I don't have official whiteboard cleaner. So this is perfect. Thank you, Dad. Okay, next up is this package. Let me move this trash. All right, I never know how to open these. Whoops. Oh, I think I know who these are from. Yep. These are from Daniel, my friend from college. He says, good luck with this school year, from Daniel. Thank you so much, Daniel. This is like the little heads from just paper. Like, I think it's like the little people ones I wanted. Thank you so much, Daniel. Okay, we have 3 more packages. Thank you guys so much. This means so much to me. You have no idea. One of them I think is for myself, honestly, because I was like, I really want this, and I just bought it for myself off my wish list. So I don't know which one that is, so we'll see. Alright, almost open. Ooh. This is also from my dad. Thank you so much. They donated so much. These are answer buzzers. I am like planning to do games with my kids, so I thought this would be perfect. I'm super excited about these. Thank you so much, Dad. You guys, it's like Christmas, seriously. Okay. Let's put that over there. All right, next one. 2 more. Okay. Okay. All right. Ooh. Let's see if there's a note. There is a note. Oh, hold on, let me find it. Thanks for helping mold awesome humans, from Monique Lucero. I think this was a coworker from my sister's job back in high school. Thank you so much, Monique. She's so sweet. So she got me this book. This is a different one. It's like the one that Erin got me. This one says Little Leaders, Bold Women in Black History, and it's by the same author, Vashti Harrison. Super excited about this. Thank you. And this book, Pink is for Boys. I'm super excited. I've actually never read it, but I can already tell I'm going to love it. Thank you so much. I'm super excited to read these. All right. Last box. Here we go. This is it. I just don't know where to open it. I guess it's from this side. All right, here we go. I don't know if mine came yet, the one I ordered. It said it shipped today by 10 p.m., but I haven't got a notification that it's been delivered, so I'm assuming it's not here yet. All right. Okay, there's a box in here. Another box. Well, let's see who it's from. Aww. So this is a family friend from when I grew up. Her name's Jenny Donahue. Thank you so much, Jenny. She says, love you. Thank you, Jenny. Okay, let's open it and see what it is. Okay, here we go. I almost cut myself. I'm good. I have no idea what this is. Also, it's really hot in my room, so I'm sweating. Ugh. These are the snacks that I wanted. Wow. Oh, thank you so much, Jenny. I love these. There's a variety of these. There's these kind of crackers, the Austin crackers, and then there's animal crackers, and I think I saw Cheez-Its or Ritz crackers, Goldfish. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to everyone who donated to my classroom. I really do appreciate it. If you would like to donate to my classroom, my Amazon wishlist is linked down below. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys next time. Bye.